Hello students, we'll be talking in detail about here what is osmolarity and which are the different organisms which face the problem of regulating the osmolarity of the body fluids, okay, and how they manage to keep the osmolarity of the body fluid constant, okay. Got it? So, what is osmolarity basically? Osmolarity is the total solute concentration which is present in the body fluid. Okay? So, it is the total solute concentration which is expressed as moles of solute per liter of solution. So, 1 liter solution में कितने solutes है? What is the concentration of the solute in 1 liter of the solution? This will be known as osmolarity. Okay, and unit of measurement of osmolarity is milliosmol per liter. ये मैंने आपको बोला था when I was teaching you counter current mechanism. In counter current mechanism, I have told you how the osmolarity of the body fluid remains constant even if there is a reabsorption of water from the descending limb of a nephron and reabsorption of salts from the ascending limb of nephron. Okay, osmolarity of the body fluid in human beings, blood का osmolarity कितना रहता है 300 milliosmol. So it remains constant. Okay. There are many animals which has to face the problem to maintain the osmolarity. Okay, freshwater fishes है, marine water fishes है, then terrestrial animals है, उनमें body fluid का osmolarity constant रखने के लिए they have certain adaptations in them. Okay, there are certain special features which are there in those organisms because of which the osmolarity of the body fluid remains constant. Okay. Now, let us firstly discuss before we go in detail about what are the problems which are faced by the freshwater animals to maintain osmolarity of the body fluids. Okay. And what are the different adaptations which are seen by the freshwater animals to maintain osmolarity of the body fluid. Okay. So, before we go in detail about that, let us firstly know what is isotonic, hypertonic and hypotonic solution. Okay. Isotonic means what? The solute concentration is constant as that of the extracellular fluid. So, intracellular fluid का concentration and extracellular fluid का concentration सेम रहता है, तभी उसको आप क्या बोलेंगे आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन. आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में constant solute concentration is there in intracellular fluid as well as extracellular fluid. Okay. Then hypertonic में क्या होगा, solute concentration in the solution is more. Okay, if the solute concentration of the solution is more, then it will be hypertonic solution. Isotonic solution में क्या है, solute का concentration and solvent का concentration same रहता है. Okay, got it? And that is same in intracellular fluid as well as extracellular fluid. Okay, hypertonic solute concentration is more as compared to concentration of the solvent. Okay. Got it? So, osmolarity of the hypertonic solution is always more. Then hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution में solute concentration is less. Okay? Solute concentration is less in the solution. So, उसको क्या बोलेंगे hypotonic solution. Okay? Solute का concentration कम है solvent की concentration से, then you will say hypotonic solution. So, hypotonic solution is dilute. Okay, with respect to the fluid and especially solvent, यहाँ पे हम लोग generally लेते water. Water in most of the cases solution में water का concentration का ही बात करते हैं. So, solvent can be any other liquid also, but in most of the solution solvent is water. So, hypotonic solution is dilute, hypertonic solution is concentrated and isotonic solution solute concentration is same as that of the concentration of the solvent. Okay, now let's study in fresh water animals बॉडी फ्लूइड का ऑस्मोलैरिटी जो रहता है वो क्या रहता है, ज़्यादा रहता है. ऑस्मोलैरिटी ज़्यादा मीन्स सोल्यूट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज मोर in the solution. Okay, so much amount of milliosmol per liter is there of the solution. So the body fluids which are present in the freshwater animals are hypertonic. Hypertonic means concentration of the solute is more in the body fluid. Okay, so if the concentration of the solute is more in the body fluid, what is going to happen? They will have to face problem. क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ेगा? हाइपरटोनिक बॉडी फ्लूइड है तो मोर वाटर विल एंटर टू नलीफाई द इफेक्ट ऑफ मच कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्यूट. बराबर. सो टोनिसिटी जो हाइपरटोनिक हुआ है, आइसोटोनिक होने के लिए वाटर विल मोर एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर में एंटर इन द बॉडी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म. Okay, so problem faced by the freshwater animal क्या है? Excessive water entering the body. और second problem क्या face कर सकते हैं वो? More of the solute, that is salt concentration is there in the body fluid. So it may happen that salts body में के ज़्यादा जा सकते हैं बाहर and it is also not good. There should not be excess entry of water in the body as well as there should not be excess loss of salts out of the body of freshwater animals, right? Got it? So now we'll study how these freshwater animals cope up with this problem. Okay, so उनका problem वो कैसे solve करते हैं, कौन से तरीके से? प्रोटोजोन्स जो रहते हैं such as amoeba, paramecium. These amoeba, paramecium, they have contractile vacuole. You must have studied in lower standards. Contractile vacuole is for osmoregulation purpose, means they will regulate the entry of water in these single celled organisms as well as they will maintain the osmolarity by releasing the salts or else storing the salts for longer time in those vacuoles depending upon what is the tonicity of the cytoplasm of these organisms. Okay, got it? So contractile vacuole रहता है उसमें. So isn't it one adaptation which is seen by these protozoans to cope up with which problem? Excessive entry of water and excessive loss of ions from the body. Okay. Then in freshwater fishes आपको पता है there are many freshwater fishes. Okay, that is mackerel है, pomfret है. These are all freshwater fishes. Bony fishes are the freshwater fishes. Okay, so how they cope up with this problem? Excessive entry of water and excessive loss of ions or else salts from the body. Okay, क्या होगा? They will not drink much water. Okay, so no drinking of water because water enter हो रहा है तो और ज़्यादा अगर वो water पीने लगेंगे तो और ज़्यादा water enter होगा body fluids में and body fluids may become hypotonic. Okay, so no drinking of water. Then second, water uptake and salt loss are reduced by special body covering. They are having special body covering and that special body covering which is there, it is made up of fat, subcutaneous fat. Okay, so development of subcutaneous fat is there in scaleless fishes. Okay, so bony fishes में scaleless fishes रहते हैं ना, scales नहीं रहते हैं कुछ bony fishes में. So those scaleless fishes are having subcutaneous fat. Scales are for protection purpose, right? Here for protection purpose these scaleless freshwater fishes will have subcutaneous fat. So this subcutaneous fat will prevent or else you can say it will reduce excess entry of water uptake and salt loss from the body. ज़्यादा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. What is there? Hypertonic solution है ना, hypertonic body fluids है तो एक्सेस आयंस भी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. एक्सेस आयंस बाहर हो गए तो हाइपोटोनिक कंडीशन होगा. एक्सेस वाटर भी एंटर हो गया तो हाइपोटोनिक कंडीशन हो गया, right? So there should not be excess entry of water as well as excess salt loss also, okay? And this can be prevented by one adaptation, that is development of subcutaneous fat in freshwater fishes, okay? Then third adaptation which is seen in them, they are having special cells which are known as inocytes, okay? Inocytes are the special cells which are present in the freshwater fishes which will utilize energy, okay? Means ATP molecules utilize करके वो inocytes क्या करेंगे? These inocytes will transport Na positive and Cl negative ions from the surrounding water to the body fluids, okay? So body fluids में Na positive and Cl negative ions will enter because of these inocytes. But how they will enter? These salts will enter in the body of the freshwater fish because of what? Inocytes, okay? Inocytes को दूसरा नाम क्या है? Chloride cells. So chloride cells will be responsible for maintaining the solute concentration in the body fluid. अभी देखो यहाँ पे energy लग रहा है for taking the Na positive ions and Cl negative ions, बराबर. So energy लग रहा है तो यूं ही वो लेते नहीं रहेगा salts. Earlier पहले क्या कंडीशन है? फ्रेश वाटर फिशेस में भी हाइपरटोनिक बॉडी फ्लूइड्स है. सो वाटर एंटर हो रहा है, एक्सेस वाटर एंटर नहीं होने के लिए सबक्यूटानस फैट इज देयर, ओके, गॉट इट. एंड सॉल्ट लॉस इज ऑल्सो प्रिवेंटेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सबक्यूटानस फैट, ओके. सो अभी ये जो सॉल्ट है वो ज़्यादा बाहर भी नहीं जाना चाहिए बट वाटर एंटर हो रहा है तो हाइपोटोनिक कंडीशन may happen. So for that purpose few ions should enter inside. So थोड़ा बहुत आयन जो एंटर होता है वो कौन से तरीके से होता है? एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट से, बाय यूटिलाइजिंग एनर्जी. सो एनर्जी यूटिलाइज करके कुछ आयंस एंटर हो रहे हैं. मीन्स हर टाइम एनर्जी तो यूटिलाइज नहीं करेगा फ्रेश वाटर फिश फॉर एंटरिंग द आयंस इनसाइड, ओके. सो एनर्जी लगता है तो बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में ही आयंस वो लेंगे, आइनोसाइट्स. दस देयर विल बी रेगुलेशन ऑफ द ऑस्मोलैरिटी ऑफ द बॉडी फ्लूइड्स इन फ्रेश वाटर फिशेस, ओके, गॉट इट. सो नो ड्रिंकिंग ऑफ वाटर. देन सबक्यूटानस फैट इज देयर इन द स्केललेस फिशेस विच विल prevent excess entry of water as well as prevent excess loss of salts, okay. And to maintain the osmolarity, water enter हो रहा है तो और ज़्यादा सपोजिंग ज़्यादा थोड़ा वाटर एंटर हो गया तो आयंस लेना चाहिए सराउंडिंग वाटर में से. सो दैट दोज ऑल आयंस विल बी टेकन अप बाय द आइनोसाइड्स which are special cells which are present in the freshwater fishes. What is the other name for inocytes? Chloride cells, okay, got it. So this is all about the how tonicity of the body fluid can be maintained by the freshwater animals. Thank you.